Hi everyone, Andrew Carroll here, Director of Sales of the Spring Hill Suites, Fairfield Inn, Louisville downtown, welcoming you to our Thirsty Thursday. Today we're going to be making a sour cherry gin mash. What you're going to need is 2 ounces of gin, which we've got plenty of, 6 sour cherries, sugar cube or a ½ ounce of simple syrup, ½ ounce of lime juice, ginger ale, and then a lime or orange or whatever garnish you typically like on your summer drink. So we'll go ahead and get started here. We're going to pull out our shaker, add our 6 cherries, and then with what I'm going to use is simple syrup, ½ ounce. If you don't make, or if you haven't made simple syrup before, it's very simple. All you need is a cup of brown sugar and a cup of water, and just heat that in a pan until it dissolves. And it's really just, it's that easy. You just put it in a can here and you're good to go. So then we'll take our lime juice. We're going to do ½ ounce of that, and then we're going to mash all that together. Make sure all those cherries get nice and smushed in there. And then we're gonna, of course, can't forget our gin. And then remember, we're gonna add ginger ale, but we're gonna wait. The reason we're gonna wait, not shake it up, obviously you don't want it's kind of explode everywhere. So we'll go ahead and put our shaker together. Make sure it's on there really tight. Shake it up. Pour it in there. It's got a nice little color to it. And then we will add our ginger ale. It's that easy. So thank you to all of our Marriott members, everybody who stayed with us before. We can't wait to have you back soon. If it's not for business, we'd love to have you down here for a weekend once everything starts opening up, for our distilleries, our great food, and just overall hospitality. So cheers to all of you, and